Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, specially I upload videos related to math of class 11, 12, BCom, BSc, Engineering and higher class also. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share, okay? Now we are going to discuss a coordinate related chapter, polar coordinate. The problem is find the points on the conic 9 by r 2 plus root 2 cos theta having radius vector 3. As radius vector is r there, and it is given as 3, therefore we have to put the value of r into this one. 9 by 3 equal to 2 plus root 2 cos theta. Therefore 3 equal to 2 plus root 2 cos theta. Okay. Therefore cos theta equal to 1 by root 2 equal to cos pi by 4. Therefore theta equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4, where n be any integer. Okay. Z be the set of integer. Put n equal to 0. Therefore theta equal to plus minus pi by 4. Therefore points are either 3 comma pi by 4 or either 3 comma pi by 4 or 3 comma minus pi by 4. Okay, very easy to solve. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will clear your doubt, and thank you for watching this video till now. Okay.